ArtBin Ribbon Storage Rack works great to store and organize all your spools of ribbon. The ribbon storage rack will come with one front bar, one rear bar, two uprights, two caps for your uprights, one divider, and hardware for wall mounting purposes. First, you will want to place your front bar and rear bar into the uprights like so. The front bar will have a feeder spot for you to feed your ribbon through. Start by putting the rear bar on first. Once both sides of the rear bar have successfully clicked, you can add the front bar. Once the bars click, you know your bars have been successfully attached. Once you have attached your front and rear bar, you can go ahead and place the two caps on top of the uprights. Do not do this step if you're planning on stacking another ribbon storage rack on top of the one you are currently building. Now that you have successfully built your ribbon storage rack, you can begin to fill it with spools of ribbon. If you do not have enough ribbon to fill the entire rack, you can simply use the divider to assist in keeping your spools standing so they don't fall over. To add the divider, simply attach the clamp part on the rear bar. Once you have added your ribbons, you can place the rack on your desktop space or you can wall mount it. If you would like to wall mount your ribbon storage rack, please continue to watch this video for instructions. First, find the area you would like to hang your ribbon storage rack. Next, while bracing the rack against the wall, use your level to make sure it's straight. Then, make two marks on the wall for the screws using a pencil. After that, drill two pilot holes on your marks. Then, drill the screws in and hang your ribbon storage rack onto the wall. We hope you enjoyed watching this video on our ribbon storage rack. Don't forget to tag us on social media and show us how you used your ribbon storage rack.